Nice one. Grabe, round 2 pa lang tayo. I'm sure nahihirapan na ang ating Clash Panel. So, Clash Panel, ano po ang masasabi niyo sa performance ni Arabel?
Okay, Arabel, you laid it all out. Parang ang nafe-feel ko today is parang there is no tomorrow for you. There is only today. Parang binigay mo ang lahat ngayon sa stage na to. At you filled this place with this performance. So, napakagaling na performance. And talagang you proved today also why you deserve to be here. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Alam mo, yung House of the Rising Sun is a very powerful folk ballad. Bagay na bagay sa boses mong napaka-powerful. And alam mo, nung pinapanood kita, pro na yung dating mo. Mukha ka na talagang professional singer. Pati tumayo. Basta, pro na yung dating mo. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Mag-agree ako, parang kinumpleto mo na lahat ang performance mo, na parang as if you are telling all of us that I want this and I'm gonna get it. And it clearly showed in your performance. I love the clear tone in your voice and the control. It was really good. So thank you, Arabel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arabel. Good job. And thank you, Clash Panel. Ang tanong, sa laban na ito ng new Clasher at Clash Backer, judges, sinong nanalo?
Ang boto ko ay ibibigay ko kay Adele.
First vote para kay Adele.
Alright, my vote goes to Arabel.
Alright, 1 vote each. Miss Lani.
And my vote goes to
Arabel!
Congratulations, Arabel! Makakabalik ka na sa Top of the Clash!